Hello and welcome to the next KNX product training. Here I'm going to teach you how to configure the KNX Keypad and Combo Switch from Interra in ETS. My name is Amir, I'm a KNX tutor and I hope to provide you the adequate training. Okay, let's start. So what we need is we need to control the shutter, or we can say control the AC motor with 4 wire by the combo switch and the keypad. So this is a keypad. We want to use the button number 8 to control the shutter in this example. So in the switch actuator, or we can say the combo switch, we want to use the output C5 and C6 as a one channel to control the motor. And by the way, what about the wiring? So this is the wiring. You can see in wiring we connect the 2 wire from the motor to the 2 output from the actuators. Of course, your KNX actuator must support the shutter control. Okay, good. So now I'm going to start with the ETS. So what we have in ETS, we have the 24 output, or we can say combo switch. So here in parameter, first of all, we should go to the configuration. For the arrangement of output 5 and 6, we should make sure that it is placed in shutter blind, and this is 5 and 6 configuration. This is shutter and blind. Of course, if you have the time of the travel up and down, you should update it, but for the example I leave it like this, and we can see the parameter it's provided when we set it for the shutter. So we can see we have the up and down movement group objects, we have the stop group objects, we have the position in percentage, and that's it. This is what we need and we are happy with that. Okay, good. So how about the I switch, or we can say the keypad? For the keypad, we go to the parameter, we go to the button number 8, we choose it. The function from the disable, we put it in shutter blind, and we want to control it with one button, only one button. That's it. This is what we need from the parameter. We can check the group object, what they are generated. 3 group objects are generated. One is up-down movement, one is stop, and one is up-down status, because we only use one button, so the button should read the status from the actuator. Okay, good. So now I'm going to create the new middle. We call it shutter, and add the functional block here. So here I provide you the functional block of the shutter. In this example, first group address is the movement group address, control the movement. So from this keypad, I drag and drop from the keypad, and from the actuator I drag and drop the movement up and down. The next group address is control stop. So from the actuator I drag and drop the stop, and from the keypad I drag and drop the stop. For the control position of the shutter, we can have the precise control of the switch actuator. Of course, from the keypad we do not have it, but later on from the touch panel, for example, we can control it by a specific percentage. So here we can control the blind position like this. We only place the group object from the switch actuator. From the status, of course, From the actuator size, we have the percentage 1 byte status. It is going to transmit the indication in percentage of the shutter, and this is depends on the timing of up and down. And for the status of the relay, up or down, so from the shutter actuator or part of the combo switch, we place the moving status, and from the I switch or keypad we have the up and down status. That's it. After you do it like this, you can control the shutter by the. Thank you very much for listening to me. My name is Amir. I'm the KNX tutor. You can reach me with the email info@sccenter.ir or sccenter.ir@gmail.com or training@sccenter.ir. If you have any questions, please let me know. Support me, subscribe, and thank you very much. I hope to see you soon in the next examples.